Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular dishwashers, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher and the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher. We'll explore their features, pricing, and user experiences to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The COMFEE's Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $299, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable solution. In contrast, the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher comes in at $449, which is a significant investment. While the Honeywell offers more features, the price difference is something to consider for budget-conscious buyers. Next, let's talk about capacity. The COMFEEs can accommodate 6 place settings, which is ideal for smaller households or limited spaces. On the other hand, the Honeywell offers 8 place settings, making it a better choice for families or those who entertain frequently. If you need more space for your dishes, the Honeywell might be the way to go. Finally, let's compare the noise levels. The COMFEEs operates at 49 decibels, which is relatively quiet but may be noticeable in smaller spaces. The Honeywell, however, boasts a quieter operation at 42 decibels, making it a better option for those who value a peaceful kitchen environment. If noise is a concern for you, the Honeywell has the edge here. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Honeywell dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COMFEEs is a great budget-friendly option with portability, while the Honeywell offers more capacity and quieter operation. Consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like